everyone, it's Els here on Technique Friday. Today I'll be showing you how to assemble the Peekaboo Love Set. So the dies I'm using, so this is the Peekaboo Love Set, so it has like the Peekaboo door here, like the frame. It has a love frame in there, and we have glasses, the lips, the balloon, so there's all kind of extra elements. They're fun to use with all the animals from the series. Then I'm using the panda bear. We already have a video about that, so that will be in the link will be in the description box, how to assemble the panda bear. And then I have the banners, and I have the rounded squares that I'm using. So those are the dies. So these are some samples. So this is a Peekaboo card. I'm not going to make this one, but that's kind of the same. So this is decorated on the front as well. And then here you have the little bear in there. And then this one is created by Anita Isendorn. So that's the panda, but then as a girl, with some accessories from the same series. And so she only is using the Peekaboo part to make a small card. And the frame that's also in the same set. So these are just some samples, and then I will show you how to die cut the card first before we start assembling. So I'm going to use this part for the, so basically only the Peekaboo door from the die set. I'm going to use my Big Shot, the fold away I have here, wonderful machine. And then this is the rounded stitched square. And what I did, I already put the tape here on the back, and make sure you put some tape in the middle, because otherwise the door part will not be attached to the cardstock. So make sure you put some adhesive in the center as well. So I'm just going to remove the tape and put it on the card. And of course center it nicely. And I used our 6mm, a 1/4 inch double-sided adhesive for this one. So I'm already put the, so I put the square down already, and now I'm putting the door on there. So I tape it with like a removable tape, or you can use washi tape for that as well. You can see this is a brand new machine, very easy to travel with as well for me. So I'm going to run it through, and again this is a square die, so I always tell that when it's square you have a little bit, like when this is a straight line, you have a little bit of space. Try to put it in an angle, because then it just runs through easier. And with this one I'm just going to go in and out. And now I should have my door here. I'm always careful removing the tape anyway, because you don't want to tear anything, but that should work. You see, and now I have my Peekaboo card here. So that's the base of the card that we're going to assemble now. So here's the card, and then this is the red that's going inside, because it will be the background. I wanted to keep this kind of in the black, white and the red color, because I think that's fun for a Valentine's card. And of course you can make a Peekaboo card for any occasion. Kids love it, because when something is interactive and in a card, the kids just love that. So I center this one like that, and then here I have the frame, and the frame already has adhesive on the back. And what I did cut a banner, and I'm going to put the letters like the love, so basically the pieces that fall out, I'm going to put on the banner here. And that's going to be on the front of the card. So it's very easy to put down, because it already has the adhesive on there. So that's, and then I'm going to take a piece of tape. And what I thought I'm going to do, I'm going to put it on there and then kind of trim it. I could also fold it over. Maybe that's fun. I'm going to do that. I'm going to fold it over, and then you have a little bit of the banner on the inside. Yeah, that's fun. Okay, so that will be the front. And then for the inside, so I already assembled the panda. And then I have the little balloon here from the same set. And then I have to tell you, because the panda is going to have the balloon, what I did, I already, so I cut 2 sets of hands, because if you want to put it up, you see, if you do it like this, it's weird. So these are actually the same. So these are basically both the left hands, and these are both the right hand that I'm not using. So when you want to put the hand up, you cut 2 sets. And then I'm going to put the panda in the frame first. Kind of see before I put it down, and the inside of the O is sticking here, so I'm holding that. So I'm going to kind of position him first. I need to make sure that you see the red letters through, so I think that's nice. And then we're going to, oh, I have adhesive on the back here as well. And if you want to have the panda like lower, because this one I made as well, so then I put an extra piece of red here. But when, of course, when you don't show the panda through the letters, then you're fine putting it straight on there. But if you want to have it lower, you need to put a red piece behind it first. So then I'm going to put center him. And then I have the center O there. I like to put it back. And then I'm going to adhere the balloon, and I think I'm going to use some 3D foam on that, kind of sticking it out of the card a little bit. Put some foam tape here. And then I'm going to... So I already put like the little twine here around the balloon, because what I do, I put a little bit of the Kids' Choice glue here on the back, so it holds, so that's already dry, so it holds that twine in place. Just stick this down. And there's no adhesive around the hand here, so I thought I can just put this around here a bit. And then I'm going to take a little piece of tape and put it on the back here, so the twine stays in place there. See, now he's holding the balloon, and then, oh, I think I like that, well, maybe a little bit short a bit. And there you have your cute little peekaboo card. Isn't that fun for Valentine? Look at that. I like the reds with the black and white. So that's it. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to download the free project sheet for supplies, measurements and step-by-step instructions. And subscribe to our YouTube channel. See you soon!